Welcome to science class. In our previous class, we learned about the definition of science, the definition of technology, and the relationship between science and technology, and the differences between science and technology. Today, we are going to learn about scientific method and the industrial revolution. So, let's start our today's topics. So, our first topic is scientific method. Scientific method is a process which is followed by scientists to investigate the world around us. Scientific methods includes 6 steps. They are observation, question, hypothesis, experiment, conclusion, and sharing. Now, let's just describe all the steps of scientific method. So, our first step is observation. Observation is an action or process closely monitoring something. By observing the world around you, you can notice that things happen. Or you may have particular topic of interest. Now, our second step is questioning. When we saw or heard or read something, we may have question about that. Choose a question that can be answered by observation or experiment. Now, step number 3, which is hypothesis. By using previous knowledge, you have to guess the answer of your question. This is known as hypothesis. Now, it's number 4, experiment. Experiment is a test to justify the answer of your hypothesis is true or not. How to experiment? At first, we have to make a list of materials we need. Then we should write the steps we followed for the experiment. After writing about the steps, we should collect our data and record our result. Now, step number 5, which is conclusion. Analysis of the data you collected and summarized your result. Think about your result that either support your hypothesis or not. It is conclusion. Then our last step is sharing. After conclusion, we have to share our result with others. This is the end of our 6 steps of scientific method. Now we are going to learn about industrial revolution. The industrial revolution was a period of major changes. It took place almost 200 years ago. In earlier days, people makes product by their own hands in their homes or in small workshop or small places. During the industrial revolution, many factories and industries were built. England was the first country in which these changes took place. However, the industrial revolution soon spread to other European countries. So, we can state that industrial revolution is a rapid major change in an economy marked by the general interaction of power driving machinery or by an important change in the prevailing types and methods. That is the end of our today's lecture. In your lecture sheet, you have 8 questions with answer. What you have to do? You have to memorize all the answer with questions and then write down in your home copy. Thank you.